Planning to go on a trip to Boracay and you're looking for a budget-friendly yet IG-worthy accommodation? Worry no more because I have a suggestion. It's our day 1 here in the island and we are staying here at Aero Suites Hotel Boracay. So let's see what's inside. Let's go! So upon entry, you will be greeted by these friendly and accommodating staffs. So ayun sila. Welcome to Aero Suites Hotel Boracay. So let's go to our room now. So this is the hallway going to our room. Nakikita nyo naman na super cozy nung vibes niya. And we will just take the stairs going up. You can see, meron sila ditong pool access. Show them the pool access. So ayun siya guys. Makikita nyo siya na kasama siya sa binayaran nyo. And super ganda din nung area. So let's go to our room now.